and third ball and the fourth ball. It is the first ball, it is the second ball, it is the third ball, it is the fourth ball. इसके बीच का सेपरेशन कितना होगा और इसके बीच का सेपरेशन कितना होगा, इस दोनों के बीच का हमें रेशियो निकालना है. Have we got the question? I hope you understand the question. Information is only this: ball is dropped with a gap of 1 second. क्या क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया सबके? ओके, ट्राई टू सॉल्व बेटे. मुझे तो करना ही है, मैं तो करूंगा ही. जस्ट ट्राई. आप क्वेश्चन ट्राई नहीं करेंगे बेटा तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. At least you must try. Okay, see how can we solve the question? First of all, I just want, क्या बेटे? I'm just for the first ball. First ball के लिए मैं solve कर रहा हूँ. For the first ball, distance covered S is equal to S1. I'm just marking for the first ball. That is ut plus half at square. Since u is 0, so directly I'm writing half at square. For the second ball, distance covered is S2, and that is again initial velocity is 0, so we can, here it is better to write z, half z. Now time is less, because second ball is dropped 1 second later. Third ball, similarly, if we want to find the displacement covered by third ball, it is S3, and it will be half z t minus 2 square. Okay, and fourth ball के लिए अगर मैं लिखूं तो S4 will be half z t minus 3 seconds. And what is the value of t? Fourth ball is dropped, and now he is going to drop fifth ball. Here fifth ball is being dropped. At that instant we have to find the differences. So t is equal to 5 seconds, because he has to drop fifth ball after 5 seconds. This is at 0 second, this is at 1 second, this is at 2 second, 3 second, and 4 second. No, time will be 4 second, because fifth ball is being dropped after 4 second. So time will be 4 second. I hope it is clear to all. If there is any question, just ask the question. तो फर्स्ट बॉल को 0 टाइम पे ड्रॉप किया गया, सेकेंड बॉल को 1 सेकेंड लेटर ड्रॉप किया गया, थर्ड बॉल को 2 सेकेंड लेटर ड्रॉप किया गया, फोर्थ बॉल को 3 सेकेंड लेटर ड्रॉप किया गया, फिफ्थ बॉल को 4 सेकेंड पे ड्रॉप किया गया. तो टाइम स्पेंट इज 4 seconds. Now what to do? You have to find the separation between first and second and third and fourth. So the separation between first and second is equal to, इसमें अगर मैं 4 पुट कर दूं यहाँ पे, you will get half gt square. अगर मैं वैल्यू पुट करूं तो g 10 हो गया by 2, that is 5, and t square, and t is 4. So it is 4 4 is 16, that becomes 80 meter. Here it is, if we put the value 5 into 4 minus 1 means 3, means 5 into 9, means it is 45 meter. Here it is 5 into 3, 4 minus 2, that becomes 4, means 4 into 4, that is 20 meter. And here it is 5 meter. Now you have to find the difference. S2 is S1 minus S2, and that is 80 minus 45, that becomes 35 meter. And here separation between third and fourth is S3 minus S2, S4, and that is 20 minus 5, that is 15 meter. And the ratio is 35 upon 15, and this will be what? 7 upon 3. Ratio is 7:3. I hope this is clear. Is it clear, Vijay? Do this question, please. Okay. Now we are going to give another question. Next. Now very